How to cancel Remini subscription. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. At the very top, you're going to find your Apple ID. Click on it. Now here you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of subscriptions. With that, you will be directed to this page where you're going to find different sections as active subscription and expired one. Get towards the active subscription section, open it. Under that, you're going to find the list of the subscriptions that are active. You'll also see the option of Remini. Click on that. After you open it, at the bottom left, you're going to see the option of cancel subscription. Click on that. With that, you're going to get the pop-up confirm cancellation. Click on confirm, and just with that, you have cancelled the Remini subscription. Now you won't be charged anymore. And the great thing is you can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the Remini app or account will not cancel your subscription, and subscription renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. Well, this is how you can easily cancel Remini subscription. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.